Hi everyone, welcome back to Light Trading with Golden Girl today. Hi MD, have a lovely day. Hi everyone, welcome back to Light. Okay, so today is already Friday and let's pay attention to the last New York session of this week. Okay, so let's take a look at the Forex calendar to see that is gonna be any important news today. Okay, so there are three main news. Three major news that today will release: core PCE, Berlin, UOM, consumer sentiment, and inflation expectations. At the same time, so it's easily liquidity sweep. So be careful to trade news today. Hi Shiran. Welcome back to today's live stream. So when we have three consecutive news that public at the same time, we need to pay attention to the market and avoid trading immediately when the news release, because there will be news that will conflict together. So the market easily forming liquidity sweep. So it's better for you to wait for this more stable. Okay. Hello Samir, welcome back to my live trading today. So in today early Asian session until the end of the Asian session, gold price recovered sharply to 42.30. However, when it touched to this price zone, it cannot break out and heading to the previous high, around 42.41. So now you can see that this is still have the bearish momentum at the moment. So there's not any special actions of gold when it's heading to a new price level, because every moment is waiting for, every action is waiting for the upcoming news that happened today. Also, all traders is waiting for the decision of the Fed about the interest rate in this December. Next week, around December 10, interest rate will release, and this is the very, very important factors that impact to the gold market and USD, or any currency pairs that impact to today. Currency pair impact to the USD, having the USD inside of that currency pair. Hi Tariq, hi Bear. Alright everyone, as a present from me to everyone that joined my live stream today so on time, I would like to give you an early signal in today's live stream. So would you like to receive it? If yes, let's comment. I love it. I love it to receive my gift today. Okay, would you like to receive my present today? Fire! Fire usually burns anything else that is heading to. So I'm not really love fire. Yeah, I'm not fond of with fire. It's very sensitive word. Yeah. Okay, so anyone love it? Anyone love for my gift today? Hi Niyosha, would you like to receive my gift today? Today live trading? Anyone else? Yeah, familiar friends that I always see you support my live stream every time. So very grateful for your support. Yes. Oh, I just see someone comment, but the bot deleted. Anyone want to receive my gift today? They're up to 47 friends that watching my live stream now. Yeah, I need at least 20 comments to publish my signal. Yeah, to publish my signal today. Let's go. Hello dear. Hi Mohammed. Hi Wasim. Oh, long time no see you, Wasim. Where have you been? Hi Cold. Hi Matthew. Hi Mai. Hi Official. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Alright, at the current direction of the market, I do not support for any random trade at this price zone because it's too high for you for buy signal. Also, it's having a resistance around 25 to 26. Yeah, so it's not safe at all to enter any buy or sell signal at the moment. So that is why, yeah, according to this support zone, I would pay attention to the wick, yeah, the longer lower wick of this candle. And let's switch into the smaller time frame to see what is going on here. Yeah, like I expected. This is the support zone of the previous candlestick in a 1 hour time frame. Change it into the green, the blue color. So that's why I decide this price zone will be our buy signal. Yeah, our buy signal today. Alright, game set, and good luck everyone. Finding a better position, safer position for you to enter the trade will help you to avoid risk, and yeah, it's gonna be a better position to hold, yeah, confidently hold for the buy signal, buy position. Yeah, like I just shared with you that we have the resistance around 25. So when it touches near to 25 to 24, it's having the bearish reaction. However, the distance between the current price to the resistance is not significant to enter the sell signal. So that is why I do not advise you to enter any random trade at the moment. Your VIB. And we got a big win when we trade news last Wednesday, right? Wednesday, 200 pips for news trading. And that was ADP non-farm, 200 pips. Lovely day. Perfect buy signal. And when I live streamed to you before the news release, I told you that the fair value gap above 4. Okay, let's come back to the history of the trading chart last Wednesday. Wednesday, December 3rd. December 3rd. Okay. Let's take 2:15 around here. 2:15. Yeah, this is the candlestick when ADP non-farm release. All right. December 3rd. Alright, and our entries is around 17 to 19. $42.17 to $42.19. Let me check that the time. Okay, there you go. The buy signal at entry 42.17 to 42.19, and already gained 200 pips for that trading news signal. So that's why I advise anyone that you love trading news with Golden Girl. Welcome to the VIP signal group, where we have a lot of qualified scalping signal. Yeah, every day, from early Asian session until the New York one. And the special of my VIP signal group is when we trade news together. And obviously you can see the result that every VIP members gain this victory together with me. 200 pips, and this happened very quickly. Let me see the time I post this signal, around 8:30 for 2:30, and when the news 2:30, and when we hit 200 pips is around 2:55. So only around 35 minutes that we gain this victory together. Hi Anonymous. I'm talking about the signal that I provide in the VIP signal group last Wednesday when we trade news together, and this is our position for buy signal. Okay, we buy at the end of the wave, at the bullish wave, and it's heading to 200 pips around more than 30 minutes, very quickly. Okay, so this is the special the special thing of my VIP signal group. So once again, I invite all of my friends that you can refer my VIP signal group for your trade signal. And of course, today I will continue to set up a qualified scalping signal. Yeah, at this time, news release, 4 p.m. according to the fund's time. And the current pending order is by gold. You can set a limit order for this price zone, 13 to 15. 13 to 15 for this buy signal. And let's see how is it react at this 21 to 23. Meanwhile, waiting for this position happened, we can take a small lot buy at 42, 21 to 42, 23. Stop loss will be placed at 42, 17. Okay, this is another additional signal for you. Yeah, I would like to give it to every viewers that join my live stream at the moment. Okay, good luck everyone for the current near entry zone. And the same formula for the take profit. Or you can enter small lot at around 24. Buy now. Yeah, you can buy now at the moment. Alright. Around 24 to 23. Let me change it a bit. Or we can adjust the level around. Now enter small lot for the current position to avoid missing this trading signal. And set another limit order around 23. Earlier signal, yes, is still waiting for this one. The current signal is on the chart. Active. Okay, so let's go to the 1 minute time frame. It's still under the bearish reaction with the resistance. However, this resistance is identified in the smaller time frame, so it's gonna be less stable, and it's having the bearish reaction many times, so now it's easily break out. Enter small lot for the current signal. Okay, for the current entry. Small lot because it's kind of far away from the price. Now. Heading to 25. it just hit to 25. So let's see this 1 minute candle can break out to 26 or not. It's heading to, when it has heading to a higher position around 26. Now close the part of the trade. First 20 pips already. Anyone in this signal on time? Anyone? So we just did a quick scalping meanwhile waiting for below buy signal. Anyone? Hello? Okay, it's break the resistance zone and heading to 26, near 26. We have a favorite lookout above here. This 1 minute candle. This one is a very powerful bearish candle happened. It's just heading down to 24. Ooh, it's just a blink of an eye. Okay, you're in, and remember to set the stop loss for every layer you are in. Okay, every layer you are in, set a stop loss. And if you are not familiar to trade in the New York session, do not enter too much layer. Okay, it's gonna take a while to have in the reaction as this zone. I observed the chart in 1 minute time frame. So you can see that the body of the candle is kind of big, but it's just a few pips moving. This will cause you amazing feeling. Yeah, when you see the price moving quickly in 1 minute time frame. But I do not recognize you. I'll recommend you to trade or set up signal by using 1 minute time frame. It's easily have noises. Hi Justin Lee. His stop loss if I layer 4 times. How to become profitable for layering? Yeah, this is also a very common question I usually receive. So before you enter any signal, you need to identify the loss that you can accept. If you calculate the loss, that's when you enter a lot of layers. and it beyond for your limitation, you should enter the trade with less layer. Okay, less layer. And also how to say, yeah, I just forgot what I'm gonna tell you. Lower your trading volume is the first step that you want to less. And second, do not enter too much layer. You can consider to enter the first and second or the third layer. And when the price heading back, you close the bad position. Okay, when the price reverse to the bad position, close the bad position. Can we enter again? Yeah, it's heading to 23. Wait around 22. Around 22 you can enter again. So that's why every trade that you enter a lot of entries, I advise you to close the part or close the bad position when it reverses to the entry zone. Yeah, and especially when you trade with a lot of layers, you should pay attention to your trading app, MT5 or MT4. No, every layer should if your capital is significantly bigger than 5,000 or 3,000, this lot is suitable for you to enter 3 layers for each signal. Yeah, and you will calculate yourself. Let me see. A total more than 120 pips if you lost. Oh, 4 layers. There's a lot layer you enter for one signal. Yeah, this is the mistake you are in. There's a lot of signal, a lot of layers you have set up. So my advice for you, you should do it less layer. Okay, less layer for each signal. And one more thing is close the part of the trade. Focus to the trading chart if you trade with such a many layers like this. And yeah, close the bad entry zone. Okay, close the bad entry zone. Alright, because the bearish momentum is very strong, so I advise you to close this one at entry. Close at entry. It touched to 20 pips and then reverse to the bearish one. So we will wait for below signal around 15 to 13. So once again, this resistance level around 25 to 26, one more time, deny the bullish momentum of gold price in today's New York session. Overlapping time to the New York session. Justine, if you want to trade open 2, for me that if you are not familiar to trade with many layers, you should open at least 1 and at most 2. Okay, 2 layers is the biggest quantity for you to enter one signal. Practice your trading psychology again. If you cannot enter enough signal, in the VIP signal group, so you shouldn't enter a lot of layers. Because, like I usually share with you, trading is probability, right? So we will find the chance to recover and improve our trading skill by enter enough signals in a day for one day. But if you just free at the specific time and focus on New York or London or New York session only. So you should reduce your layers for each signal. Yeah, first it will reduce your risk when it hits stop loss. Okay, second, if it hits, it will not take too much time for you to recover your capital, your account. Oh, I just advised you to close at entry, and now it's heading to 23 again. So that is the trick. That is the trick of the gold market, is freak you out and let you out of the game. However, I want to make sure that you are safe, and it's just moving around 20 pips only. And in 1 minute time frame, the bearish momentum is very strong, even though it's hitting to the below support zone. So as I usually share with you, that trading psychology is very important, right? Very important, especially when we observe to the the small time frame like 1 minute. Like 1 minute, like this. So anyone stuck at the current position, you can close it. Yeah, you can close it, because it seems like the gold price is moving sideways from 22 to 24. Even though that it didn't hit the stop loss, but you can close the bad entry when it's heading to the higher level. Yeah, the bearish momentum is very strong at the moment. And when we take a look at the 1 hour candlestick, yeah, you can see that the body of the candle is lying between lying between the candle, right? So it's showing you the struggling between the buyers and seller at the moment. Ooh. Market moving sideways, and our entry is the support zone from 1 hour candle, 1 hour time frame. So it's gonna be more reliable than the level that we identify in a 5 minute or even 1 minute time frame. Hi Hariba. So now let's wait for below entry around 15 to 13. Okay, 15 to 13. Gold market just got a rejection from a bullish momentum when it touched to 25.7. Yeah, near 26. Yeah, 5 minute time frame, and the current candle facing with a very strong selling pressure and forming a very long upper wick. Near 40 seconds left that it will close this candle, and let's see how is it look like. So today is Friday, and we have three important news that will be released at the same time, 4 p.m. according to France time. So if anyone live in the countries, especially in Asian countries, and it's late for your time zone, for your time, so you can take a rest early, and we will coming back next week to trade again. Okay, and Friday is gonna be so unexpected events that it will happen, and market will be easily manipulated, because many investors and traders, they decide to not trade on Friday and Monday, and many organizations, they will close the position to take profit or close the position to take profit or stop loss. So just avoid any risk may happen. Trade carefully. Okay, trade carefully for today's news release. Friday is the sensitive time for own traders. So if you want to receive more qualified scalping signal to trade, especially on Friday, welcome to my VIP signal group, and you can find me by scan the QR code that I insert on the left side of the corner, and it will direct you to my channel on Telegram. Thank you so much. Hi my friends, I already told you that we should close at entry. And wait for below 1. Wait for below signal. Okay. So now it's not safe anymore for the buy signal at the middle of the area. Or anyone want to through with the market, you can keep on to open a position, buy position around 20 to 21. And scalp for small profit. Now it's still moving sideways from this area. In a 1 hour candle, you can switch into a 1 hour candle. The bearish momentum is still taking control at the moment. Gold price is heading down, and the bearish momentum is the major one of today, of this time. So the market will have two styles of trading. One is prefer safety and one is prefer risky. That's your trading favor, and it depends on your choice. I'm just the one to give you the advice, and you can listen to it, you can listen to me, or do with your own decision. Okay, because that is your trading account. Alright, and I'm just a trader with 8-year experience. Sometimes I had a mistake, the stop loss signal. However, try finding the one that will help you recover after that is the key point. We cannot find the holy grail in this market, especially the gold market. Of course, no one can guarantee with you that holy grails. So when we fail, very important things that we can keep our trading psychology stable and we can recover after we fail is the very important thing. So anyone still hold the position around 20 to 21? Risky trader? Risky level traders? Anyone hold that trade? Hold that position? Hi Samir, did you enter for any signal and any entries around 20 to 21? I'm lagging while keep cut and on. So what can we discuss now? Because I really want to help you to improve your trading result, my friend. We will discuss what is a mistake you're having now, and I can help you to improve it. Feel free to share with me. I'm always here to listen to you. So if you still hold for entry around 20 to 21, around 20 pips or 30 pips, you can close this trade because it's not safe to hold the buy position at the current price. In a bigger time frame like hours candle, the bearish momentum is still taking control. So this time the market easily moving sideways. Or sometimes it will make noise and I can set up a real-time signal, real-time scalping signal for you to trade. Anyway, I always try my best. Always try my best to find entry or position or signal for you to trade real time with me. That's very fun. That's very fun because I can feel the joyful and your happiness when we win together, right? When we win together. And the market is heading to for $4,200 level. It's higher that price level. So it's easily heading to the previous peak around $4,300. So it's gonna be happened in the near future. And every action of the traders and investors so far, they are quiet. They are quiet and waiting for a new action of Fed, for the upcoming rate cuts. So be aware of this important news that will happen next week. Percent of risk in every trade, 1 to 2% rule. And my friends, they just share with me that their risk is up to 3% per trade. So that's just a lot. For me it's a lot. So just follow 1 to 2% per trade. Okay, risk per trade. That's normal. If your total count is around $1,000 and the last one trade you need to accept is around $10. $10. Accept for a risk for one signal or for one trade. It depends to you. So if the stop loss, the risk around $10, so the maximized trading volume if you have $1,000 capital is around 0.02 because the stop loss is around 50 pips, and if you enter a trade with 0.02 lot, your stop loss will around $10. So that is meet 1% rule. 1% rule risk for each layer. Oh, I'm very happy to share this with you. Okay, click to these indicators. Click to this button and you need to choose the correct script name. Alright, I will let you some time to take a screenshot and watch for this script name I choose. Okay, so you click to this script name, and when it show you this line, click to setting buttons, and you can change the first 8 from you delete 8 and change to 34 instead, and the next EMA2 is 89. Okay, and the last one is 200. Two number 34 and 89 is the Fibonacci numbers, and 200 is the reliable length of EMA that I decide to observe it, because the longer, the bigger of the number, the more reliable that EMA, the third EMA will become. And the style is just for you to adjust the color for 3 EMA ribbon. Okay, so it depends to your favorite, to your favorite color. For me, I didn't change anything, so just change the inputs, and then I click OK, and there you go. You already set up EMA, perfect EMA for your setup, for your analysis. Is it clear for you to set up this EMA inputs, Mohammed? Is this okay for you, my friend? Yeah, you if anyone hold the entry around 20 to 21, you got 40 pips, and yeah, you can close that position. You can close this trade because for that entry I do not expect too much profit. Yeah, because it's still moving sideways from this area, at this area. Sometimes that you want to check for other movements, you can check for relative strength index, but it's gonna be complicated, yeah, to use it. It's not related to oversold or overbought zone. It's also relating to the divergence. Yeah, the divergence. And if you want to understand what is bearish or bullish divergence, you can watch the video that I share with you on YouTube. And now the RSI is heading down below 50, so there's a lot of selling pressures taking control at the moment. So that's why I advise you, if anyone still hold the buy position at around 20 to 21, you should close for this signal around 40 pips. Okay, we do not expect too much profit, for bigger profits from this buy zone. Quick in, quick out, that is a true scalper. Okay, in my point of view that I still hold, I'm still waiting. Yeah, still waiting for the below support zone for this buy setup. Yeah, 15 to 13. So for me, normally I do not show too much indicators on the chart. Volume or RSI I just open when I need to check one more condition. Yeah, to make sure that my analysis by using the price action and EMA or trend line or resistance or support zones is correctly improve the accuracy rates. Okay, so the price action and trend line or support zone is still the most important things for you to do the technical analysis. So like I just said, it's still heading down to 21 again, and this is the narrow range of a gold price when it moves from 21 to 23 only. And the spread, you still remember for the spread, it will significantly to take it, yeah, to chart your account from every signal you are in. So getting around 30 pips or at least 20 pips is that significant for you to have profit. Let's take a look in a 1 minute time frame. Okay, to avoid the long time for you to wait, we can revise to the higher level of entry 21, 22, 22nd, 20, 42, 20, and stop loss is 16. For this candle, it just formed and complete as the bullish one, and it keep on. Okay, it's keep on forming a lower wick, very long lower wick here. So it show you a rejection of the sellers. right? It gives you the rejection of the sellers, and we can set up a signal around 21 to 22. So that's why we need to be flexible with our trading analysis, based on the movement of the market, so that we can adjust our analysis and and gain the profit significantly. With a slow movement like this, that it's gonna take a long time for us to wait for below support zone will active. So that's why I change my decision to increase to a higher level. Oh, another Mohammed Abulalim. Hi, my friends. Okay, gold price is heading down. Wait for our setup is active. Hello, my friend. Lalim, do you have anything you want to share with me? $22. Think market going down. Yeah, that is your decision, and I say that in 5-minute time frame is having a long low wicks. Yeah, so it's your choice. So market always have two sides, buyers and sellers. So now I'm a buyer. I support for buyers at the moment. Let's wait for these 5 candles, and you can enter small lot to enter for this position. Not confident on that trade. Okay, that's fine. You can enter or not. It's your decision. There's not force. I'm not forced anyone to have to listen to me. Wow, thank you so much. Congratulations for your big profits. Oh, I'm very happy to hear that. And thank you so much. And I really hope that you can support me for a long time later. Alright, thank you so much for your positive feedback and trusting for my signal. I'm very happy to see this one. As you know that only a few hours to sleep every day, every weekdays. But when I receive this feedback, yeah, it's really helped me a lot to recover my energy. Me and my team. Thank you so much, my friend. You can see me when I have live stream or join the lesson, yeah, the private lesson every week on the VIP signal group. Wow, very happy to hear that. Touch wood. Touch wood. Because yeah, it's kind of lucky. It's kind of lucky for you because it's the probability, right? Probability, and you enter the signal. Yeah, that's bring you profit. And around 5 minutes later, I will end the live stream. So anyone having any question for me, and if you enter this layer, enter this signal, please pay attention to your trading platform, okay? Because we are in a sensitive time. And my friends, I'm very happy if you subscribe and like for today's live stream video to build and develop my channel on YouTube. Thank you so much for your action and for your support. Thank you, thank you. And we have very special event in December, right? In December. And Happy New Year. A new year is about to coming. So I'm gonna plan. Yeah, I'm build my plan to have the celebrate, a small celebrate for every followers and my friends on YouTube and Telegram. And the detailed plan I will review on the Telegram and the upcoming live stream. So don't miss, because you will receive the gift. Money. Okay? Don't miss this event. Very special event. Wow, you keep on giving very, very positive comments. Thank you. I do not know what to say, but thank you. Yeah, I don't know what to say, but thank you. I'm very grateful for your support and trust for me. Trust on me. Alright, and it's time to say goodbye, and we keep on update the signal on our Telegram channel. Okay, and if you don't want to miss any notifications, subscribe to follow my channel on Telegram. Okay, and have a lovely weekend. See you next week. Goodbye.